Squeezing the unsqueezable.
Have you seen our previous 4D pack campaigns?
I need more space!
Now you won't need to debate what to pack and what to leave behind. With these, you can bring it all without paying extra luggage. Introducing the redesigned 4D Max version with the all-new wraparound zipper. These pouches still triple your luggage capacity, but this time, they open just like a backpack. 4D Max is the 4th generation of our airtight pouches. And believe me, this is a completely different experience.
It's like a black hole for your clothes.
We've incorporated your feedback into this product. You pack them like it's a normal backpack or a suitcase, not compression pouches. Plus, they still work great with our tiny yet powerful air pump. The included hanging strap can be used as a handle, and there are D-rings to carry it as a backpack with any detachable strap. Here's the coolest part. With these pouches, you can fit more, and if you need something out, you know exactly where to find it. Just grab what you need and reseal when you're done. It's really that simple. Even a compact backpack is now large enough to keep your bulky jacket in the 4th dimension.
Yeah, that jacket that annoys you the entire travel.
And they are the key to your closet's 4th dimension. You can finally unclog your closet. Forget about overloaded shelves. Now everything is in place, and packing for travel literally becomes a breeze. The cubes themselves are almost weightless and attached to each other with a zipper, forming a wardrobe of any size. All 4D bags are smell-proof and waterproof, protecting your valuables from water damage. And no more guessing what's packed where. Grab our rewritable tags and you'll spot that sweater you need in no time. It's also super handy for travel. 4D Max are pocket size and weightless. It's good to keep one in your bag, just in case. These bags transform your closet and your luggage into a high-tech logistical system. Please support our campaign, break free from bulky luggage, and clean up those messed up closets.